Okay, we're back at 4 Marks Bowls Club. After the power raking, you should have watched that video by now. So we've done the iron treatment, then we power raked it, and now it's time to get on with the scarifier. Put a brand new blade in the scarifier, the iron hell. Needs to be an octopus to change one of them blades. What a nightmare. Snapped a shaft on the tree root, and the bearing was stuck in the carrier. Lucky I had a spare one of these. Had to nick the carrier off the other one, because that bearing won't come out. That needs heating up and pulling. So yeah, great start to the day. We have the guys here. What tools we're going to need? We need the scarifier. We have the long rakes for the gentleman to clear this mess up. Hopefully we get a lot out right. And we have the Echo PB8010 should we need it. We're not going to put rotary mowers on here, I don't think. It's going to be interesting to see what we get out of this. Enjoy the video. It's just me filming. I'll do my best because you're following this 4 Marks Bowls green, and it's a lot of work to do. And we see if we can recover this, because I'm excited, guys. Bent Fescue, you know, it's looking in good shape, but it's still a little bit spongy underfoot. So I know I've got some thatch in the canopy. But the worm cast this morning, the guys were out with their swish sticks. We had less worm cast because of that. So that's a good thing. We took all that food off, and we're going to take some more worm food out of the canopy today. And moving forward, we won't have that, because we'll be doing work in the autumn, and we'll have less worms and more iron down. They don't like that. So let's get on with the job. Get the drone in the air. You'll see some aerial footage, and you'll see some footage coming out of the back of this. Yeah, exciting. And the sun is out, eh? Fantastic. So, let's get the guys with their tools. Oh, and I've got my skinny long hair top on, look at that. Fitting it perfect. So, let's go, enjoy the video, like, subscribe, hype it, all that jazz. Long care videos are not getting much, not many views. And it takes a lot of time to film these and edit them. So give it a like, push the algorithm. Let's go, Bowls Green 2026, Bosch. Okay, so it's going to be the same process as we did the power raking. We're going to do 3 on each end, and then we can do our lines, which is the way the bowls game happens. I do believe it's a rink, is it? Is it called a rink? Yeah, thank you, gentlemen. Yeah, so we've got the rinks going along there, and then we'll be scarifying along those lines. So 3 each end to help on the turns, and the gentleman will be picking it up. Let's see what we get. Okay, so that's the scarifier, and it was going in nice, putting some lines. That was my first pull on these 3 runs. So looking good, see the lines in there, but what I was finding is I need to go 90 degrees, like I said in the last video. So I dropped it down just 1 more click and went a little bit heavier, and you can see that there. You can see the lines in the soil. We don't want to go too hard, because time is of the essence, right? Like I keep saying, game end of April. I'm in trouble, guys, I'm in trouble. But yeah, so that's along there, and then I've done down there, and you can see there, perfect example. That is really good how we're getting into the soil. Yeah, so it's gonna be good, but we've got to do it twice, and we know it's a long walk. So yeah, I'll not a lot coming out, but you wouldn't expect really a lot. But it's going to clean that canopy, get down into the soil, and then get the seed going, right? So let's go.
When I look at the sun going down to other skies, all I want is to be there, with a new state of mind, a place I've never heard of. I will walk like a nomad. I've been stuck inside my house too long. Can't stand
So it's not too bad, look. Yeah, not too bad that. So it's working well. Not as much as I thought, and yeah, got to go 90 degrees probably anyway. We know this because we want to put in our lines for our bent fescue. Yeah, it's going well. Happy with this, guys. Lot to go though, look at it. And this will stress that power out that is in there. I should have, if I'd have had time, I'd have sprayed these out. Gone, look at them. Yeah, so we'll have to live with them, but they do have, and I'll show you over here. Look at this for a tool. This is a Dennis with the verticutting cassette in. Look at that. So that'll be going over the green every 2-3 weeks, and that will stress out those weed grasses and help promote the bent and get it growing. It'll be fantastic. So look at that. What a cartridge. I need a Dennis. I need to get one of them. Okay, so let's get the drone up in the air and you can see how I do from above in the air, as they say. Very difficult. It's 38-meter walk that way, 33 this way. So yeah, a bit tough. So it's not about the lines, it's about overlapping, getting that scarifying blade in. So don't judge me, but feel free to give me some advice in the comments. I like talking to you guys anyway. So yeah, let's get the drone up. Okay, as you can see, it's looking well. Dennis has mowed, he's halfway across the green, so he's got another 600 square metres to do, bless him. I'm going to give you a quick run with the camera on the clean area. It's not all done yet, but I'll show you. We have got damage, but I'll show you what the scarification looks like after a lawnmower over it. So yeah, I've got another idea which I'll come back to you at when we conclude. But let's take you over this. Ignore the lines, not about the lines because they were shocking. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Down on the canopy and across, you can see all the lines in there. yeah, it's looking well, and that goes all the way along down the end. But nice and deep enough, especially with the mower that's going over it. So yeah, it's looking well, guys. So well worth doing, whether it's your own lawn, bent fescue, rye, worth doing. Look at that. That's what you want to see. I've done a good job. Glad I put in a new blade. Look at the damaged area here though, right? Where it was wet and moss. Look at that. Yeah. So this needs more seed in this area. Yeah. I've done a good job. Right, let's get going. Okay, so the lads are working hard, raking. Dennis is mowing, clearing up that last remnant that the rake misses. And this is what's coming out. Obviously some of this was from the power raking, but this is all wet, dry bits of moss and just sweaty necrotic growth from the scarification in the canopy. A little bit of soil there, but we are top dressing anyway, but it needed to be done. That is incredible. Look how wet that is. So because of doing this, and obviously we're getting a bit of sunshine now, we get dryness in the canopy and we're good to go next weekend. So yeah, keep following, and we've got more work to do. Let's get on. So just one last thing. This was nigh on empty. That is absolutely, I mean, look, that's nearly as tall as me over there. Incredible. And that was all worm food. Got to keep the canopy clean. Look at it. Just all junk. Whether it's a bowls green or your own lawn, keep them clean. Let's go. Okay, so that is the bowls green at 4 marks, all done. What I need to do is I need to get back on here within a couple of days, maybe tomorrow if I can, and put some iron down just to get those remaining spores. We don't want any regeneration of the moss. There is some moss in here, but it will come out over time. And then what we're going to do is put some seaweed in there just to help ease the stress, biostimulant in there. And then we'll be seeding next weekend, hopefully, if the weather allows us. So yeah, all good. Silica sand coming down on here. The compost heap is taller than the American basketball players. It's incredible. It's incredible what we got out of here. So that should help that. Thanks for watching this. We hope you enjoyed it. It's my first time doing a bowl screen. There's massive damage in that area and some areas you'll see from the drone shot on the outro. I'll attend those areas and I'll be seeding under and over. Yeah, really happy with that. So let us know what you think. Have I destroyed it? Will it come good? Could do with a roller here. The club only have a little push roller. Could do with one of those sideways bowls green rollers. So yeah, quite tough, but really enjoyed that. What I'm going to be doing is that Dennis mower you saw with the verticutting cassette, incredible. I'm going to, just before, I'm going to get here early and do the 90 degrees with the verticutter. So I've done the lines this way with the scarifier, and then I'll be verticutting this way to create my crosses and just take any remnants with a verticut, and then I'm going to get on and seed and top dress that and fleece it, and that will be the final instalment of 4 Marks Bowls Club. So hope you enjoy that one. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. No one's watching lawn videos. This is a great lawn. Watch it, share it, do all that jazz for me, because We need more people watching lawn care videos, especially now when times are really hard. You want to enjoy your own home, right? And that's what you should do. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next one. Bye bye for now, guys. Bye bye for now. Thanks for watching, yeah? Give it a like. What do you think? Is it a terrible green?